Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to resize product title on product cards in Shopify. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then these tutorials will be very helpful for you. So, let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and I'm going to scroll down. Here is the product card and we wanted to resize this card title. Okay, to do this, first of all, we have to go to our Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store. Then click on this three dot icon, edit code. Now search base, then open base.css file and simply paste a simple code in here. So now the question is that where you will get this code snippet. Just check out the video description. You will find the code snippet in the video description. Okay, so I'm going to add the code snippet here right now. Here is the ready code snippet that I'm going to use. You will find this code snippet in the video description. Okay, so copy and paste it in the base.css file. Click on the save. Asset save. Now go back my Shopify store home page and reload. Wow, it's working. Now we are going to make it small, for example 20 pixel, and make it 500. Asset save. Now going to reload. Yes, looks good. Also, if we want to change the color, then we can draw this very easily. Let me make it normal, then type color, and color will be pink just for now. Click on the save. Asset save. Now reload again. Wow, you can see that the color has been changed. Also, if you want to get the perfect color, just type color code on Google, for example. Okay, then you can use any color from here. Okay, looks good. And yes, click on here and reflects this color name. Save. Asset save. Now go back, reload again. Wow, now it looks more eye-catching and professional. So I hope you understand how we can draw this very easily, very quickly. Just going to copy and paste the code snippet from e-commerce thesis. You will get this code snippet link in the video description, so don't worry about that, so that you can draw this very easily. Okay, so thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.